Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to recover password from Google Chrome in 2023. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and this is my Chrome browser. So if you want to browse or if you want to use anything, so Chrome browser is a safety browser to use all the things. So how to recover the password from the Chrome browser? What you have to do here? So on your right hand side, you will find a three dot option in Chrome browser. Just hit the button and you will have a Google Password Manager. This is a new one, so which is created from the Google Chrome. Just hit the button, the password manager will be open here. So the password manager has a password checkup and settings will be there, so you can identify and get the password. For example, if you browse the password and if you get the password, means it will be stored in your Chrome browser and password manager. It will be safety and accessible. So once you click your password, what are the password you saved, everything will be displayed over here. So this is my new Chrome. So I just open the Chrome browser again, so my password will be open here. So this is my password, so I saved the things and the password will be there. So if I want to see the password, so I just click here to see the password. For example, I just want to click and open the files, and I'll say check with my Chrome browser with my pin code, so that I can enter the pin code, means my password will be revealed in the Chrome browser. So this is the easiest way. For example, if you're finding any difficulties to find the password, you can get the password from the Google Password Manager. So here there will be a checkup option, so you can check up the password, how many password you saved and how many are risky password, everything will be displayed here. So as you see here, so there is a reused password we have given here, so that is not a that is not a security reason. So if you want, you can change and your password looks strong, so that it will be no one will break up. So here there will be a settings option. For example, if you want to remove the settings, so you can sign in automatically. It is enable, means just disable, means the password will be hidden, so it won't sign in automatically. So if you are given password or laptop to anyone, means they cannot able to log in without your knowledge. So you just disable this option, means it will be easiest way for you. So use this and create a password and recover the password using these options. For example, I just click here to PayPal account. I just want to view the password, so I just click here to recover the password. I have to give the Chrome security, that is my laptop pin code I have given, means automatically my password will be revealed and it will be shown. So this is a beautiful option, which is a password forget. People will be always there, so they may not know about the password. The Chrome will be saved and it will reveal your password while you know the particular reason about why you record the password. So you need to give the pin code for your laptop and password for your laptop, means automatically it will show your password. So this is helpful for that information. For example, if you want to create a different types of work, means you may forget the password, so you can click and know more about the password manager. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.